Hey guys, welcome back. In this channel, we make programming easy. And today, we will talk about data types in JavaScript. So what are data types in JavaScript? Data types tell the computer what it is dealing with. For example, numbers, characters, or true or false values. This ensures that the program runs correctly and efficiently. There are three main data types: strings, numbers, and booleans. The first data type is string. It is basically a piece of text. We use it to write texts. To write a string, write your piece of text within a pair of quotation marks. And done. We have a string. We can assign our string to a variable and/or do whatever we want with it. The next data type is number. It is just a number value. We use it to calculate and do math. Unlike strings or any other data type, we can use numbers to do math, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We don't need to surround our number with quotation marks. Otherwise, it will become a string, and we can't do any math with strings. So make sure not to include quotation marks. The last data type we have is the Boolean data type. It simply holds a true or false value. Booleans are useful in things like if statements, loops, and other things. We will learn about them in upcoming videos, God willing. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching.